If you're thinking of planting something for the hummingbirds this year, this is your sign. In today's garden project, I'm finding the perfect spot for this beautiful hummingbird vine in the hope that there will be orange blooms, there will be hummingbirds flying everywhere. We are going to do it at the back, and I chose the sunny part because orange vine likes sun. Dig deep enough so that when we plant orange trumpet vine, we can add a mixture of the compost and the garden soil before it. It's so important that we do this so that we give our trumpet vine a great chance to thrive. So we just have to add some more garden soil and a little bit of the compost on top. Now we wait, and hopefully this little vine will soon be covered with orange blooms, and there will be lots of hummingbirds flying all over.